Hey everyone, if you want to know how to convert this into this, then keep watching.
So these are Bodi or snap beans, as some people know it as. I think some countries they call it green beans, but in Trinidad we call it Bodi. And I'm going to make fry Bodi. That's what we call it, fry Bodi with tomatoes. It's not exactly fried; it's more like it's steamed, but it tastes really really good. All I did was use some of the Bodi and cut off the ends. You see these ends here? I just cut them off like that, and I chopped it up into shorter pieces, maybe just about 1 inch or half an inch in length. You can choose whatever size, it doesn't really matter. Um, the shorter it is, it's going to be faster to cook. And you can get the Bodi or the snap beans, at least in Trinidad, you get it at the market or the supermarket. Sometimes your neighborhood vegetable stalls, they have it. In foreign countries, I'm not sure. And I was just looking at the price of it for the supermarket that I go to. It's $6.50 per pound. That's $6.50 TT per pound. That's almost, or maybe it is about $1 per pound. So they measure it by the pound at the supermarket, but at the fresh produce market, which is like your local farmers market, here in Trinidad at least, it's sold by the bundle. So sometimes you get a nice bundle for about $10, depending on the day or the time of the year. Sometimes it can be cheaper. You get it for $6 a bundle, which is in TT dollars I'm talking about. So normally it would be nice to go to the fresh produce market and get all your fresh vegetables, but out of convenience, I got it at the supermarket.
Snap beans, or Bodi as we call it in the Caribbean, is really delicious, especially when it's nice and fresh. It has a sweet, yummy flavor.
Well, anyhow, we're going to make some fried tomatoes and Bodi, Trini style. These are my seasonings for the fried tomatoes and Bodi, or fried Bodi and tomatoes. So I'm using half a habanero pepper, but it looks like a lot, but it's because this pepper is not really that bitter as we say. So that's why I'm using half. I cut it in half again. Plus I'm using 2 cloves of garlic that I chopped up finely, and about a 2-inch piece thick of white onions. So let's get cooking. So now that the oil is slightly hot, I'm gonna add the Boron, as we call it. Give it a stir. Nicely browning, and I'm just going to add everything in here. So I'm just going to add some salt.
Hope you guys enjoyed the video. It was a delicious meal. It's so quick and easy, and you know me, I like quick and easy. Bodi is nutritious, it's delicious, it contains protein, vitamins A, B, C, and it even has iron in it. So be sure to get some green beans or cowpeas as it's called, or Bodi, as we call it in Trinidad, and in Guyana, they call it Bora. So it's known by numerous names, but it's the same delicious taste when it's nice and fresh. And here I put it in some Sada roti to take to work for lunch. So see you guys in the next video. Drop me a comment down below, and thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and check me out now on Instagram.